When we think of sleep, we often see it as just a time for rest. But did you know that sleep is actually one of the most powerful tools for your body and mind? Let's dive into why getting enough sleep is so crucial for your overall well-being. First, sleep is like a nightly maintenance session for your brain. While you're asleep, your brain processes everything you learned and experienced during the day. It's during this time that memories are organized and stored, helping you retain information and improve your problem-solving skills. That's why students and professionals alike perform better after a good night's sleep. Second, sleep is your body's natural repair system. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormones, which are essential for muscle repair and cell regeneration. This is especially important after a long workout or a physically demanding day, but sleep isn't just about physical and mental recovery. It also plays a key role in your emotional health. Lack of sleep can make you irritable, anxious, or even depressed. On the flip side, quality sleep helps you stay emotionally balanced, improving your relationships and overall outlook on life. So, how can you improve your sleep? Start by creating a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Limit screen time before bed, as blue light can interfere with your body's natural sleep signals. And don't underestimate the power of a relaxing bedtime routine, whether it's reading, meditating, or simply enjoying a cup of herbal tea. In short, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Treat it as an investment in your health, and you'll wake up feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to take on the world.